how to change region in Valorant. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to, of course, open our browser, and then on the search bar, search for change Valorant region, and then click enter. After that, what we are going to do is to scroll down until you see this Valorant support. So make sure that you click this one right here. And then once you click that, you will be redirected into this website. After that, we're going to scroll down and then you will see this login button. So just click login right there and then log in into your account. So I'm going to click with my Google right here. After that, once you do that, what we are going to do is to scroll down once again and then click the check button, which is right here. So once you click that, if this message popped up, what we are going to do right here is to scroll down and then we are going to submit a ticket, which is right here. So click submit a ticket right there. And then in this part, what we are going to do is to scroll down and then choose the request type that we are making. So in this part, we're going to choose account management, which is right here. And then after that, in this part, we're going to click on what platform are you requesting assistance with. So we're going to click on PC since we're using a Windows. On the subject, just type changing region. So it's up to you whether you want to change it or not. And then on this part, we're going to select our inquiry and we're going to click on account management. And then once again, click this one. And then we're going to click on need help changing region of residence, which is right here. And then after that, on the description, just put, I want to change my region from blank to blank. After that, if you want to add some file right here, you can do that, but I will just leave it as it is, and then click the submit button. Once you click the submit button, that should be it. Just wait for the Valorant team to reply to your email. And then after that, they will now assist you to fix your problem. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to change a region in Valorant with Exsisting Account.